Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my 5 to 9 routine after my 9 to 5 job. I usually get home around 5 p.m. and first thing I like to do when I get home is just take my AirPods out, put my keys up, put my purse away so that I can change into some comfortable clothes. Once I'm changed, I like to light some candles around my apartment just to get the vibe right, get the house smelling good, and just unwind a little bit after a long day. Usually around this time, I do crave a snack because it's a little too early for me to eat dinner. And my go-to snack have been these Balance Breaks by Ritz. It's their like little Ritz crackers and cheese slices. I have been obsessed with it. So I just have that with some water and I get right to editing. I usually like to spend about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on my schedule for the evening. But I really like to spend some time after work editing my videos, writing down some video ideas I want to film over the weekend, responding to you guys' comments, just really doing the admin stuff regarding my channel and content. So I don't necessarily edit every day, but I do have a lot of videos that I need to edit. So usually the bulk of my evenings lately have been editing the content so that I can get it out for you guys. I usually spend, like I mentioned, about an hour, hour and a half. Today, I only spent an hour editing before my stomach started rumbling and tumbling, and I went ahead and got started on making dinner. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make some vodka pasta or spicy rigatoni, however you wanna say it, but it's a really simple pasta meal to make, and you literally need probably like 5 ingredients to make it. So usually for dinner, I like to do quick and easy meals throughout the week and also make enough to where I can have some lunch for the next day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into making my dinner. It's something about a pasta and red wine combo that just does it every time. But I usually like to watch a show while I eat dinner. Probably this night, I was watching either The Pit or probably even a basketball game. I don't know, but I usually like to watch something while I eat dinner just so that I can catch up on my shows. And then after dinner, I like to sit for about 30 minutes to give myself time to just catch up on the rest of the world. So during this time, I'm probably on TikTok, Twitter, maybe a little bit of Instagram, but I just see what's going on in the world before I close my evening out. Once I'm done doom scrolling, I hop in the shower and start my shower care, body care routine. And I really love a good late night shower because I just feel like you get to scrub off all of the day's troubles, problems, the good, the bad. It's just a really good cleansing moment, and it really helps me have a great restful night. And then I'm also going to hop into my skincare routine, just take off my makeup for the day. Usually at night, I just like to do either like my toners and my serums, just put a lot of moisture on my face so that when I go to bed, it can soak up all of that goodness so I can wake up in the morning with very plump skin. And then before I go to bed, I love to wrap my hair. If you know, you know. This has been on TikTok. You've probably seen it left and right. But these overnight blowout rods have been a game changer for me because I don't like doing my hair every single day. So putting these rods in before I go to bed just lets me wake up with beautiful, bouncy curls that last throughout the day. So this has been my go-to styling tip that I've loved to do, especially when I have longer hair in. It just makes it easier to style. So I just go ahead and put those in and then wrap my hair so that we could be ready for bed. But before we go and lay it down, I need my cup of tea. Now, one thing about it, two things for sure, I'm gonna go to bed. Tea or not, I'm gonna go to bed. But it's just something about this sleepy time tea that just really helps me fall asleep quicker. And I just have a really nice, calm rest when I drink this tea. And I used to drink it in college a lot because I had insomnia and it was just a lot. So this was the only thing that would help me sleep. So it's just a very nostalgic beverage for me as well. And it's just very calming to have a cup of tea before you go to bed. Help you relax and just prepare for a good night's rest. Lately, I have been enjoying reading before I go to bed. So sometimes I read my Bible before I go to bed. Today, I am reading my book, Before I Let Go by Kennedy Ryan, which is getting really, really juicy. So I try to read a couple pages until I start getting sleepy. And before you know it, it's lights out.